See in 100 seconds. Functions. A function is a block of code you define once and call whenever you need it. This one takes two ints and returns their sum. The return type goes before the name. Return sends the value back to whoever called the function. Void means the function doesn't return anything. It just does something. This one takes a name and prints a greeting. No return needed. In main, we call add with 10 and 25. The result comes back as an int. Call greet twice with different names. Same function, different output each time. "10 plus 25 is 35. Hello, Alice. Hello, Bob. Define once. Call anywhere. That's what functions are for. Next up, arrays.